Now we're taking a look at the backwards outside edge. It's opposite forwards. When going forwards, we pointed the toe in to cross over every step. And here now we're going backwards, we're going to point the heel out. The heel out and simply just step over, over, over every step. Nice and easy. So our next technique is just to simply walk down the ice with these backwards outside edge crossovers. Would look like this. Now we're going to take a look at this outside edge crossover while running down the ice. Players can get a little bit of speed up first and then cross over quickly like this. Another way to work the outside edge here is with a leg kick. And at first we'll just start with a low leg kick, and as we go down the ice, we'll kick the leg out higher and higher. It's more of a figure skating drill, but good for balance. And we'll look something like this. You get on that outside edge, kick the leg up with the toe pointed up, and let it fall down in front. And then start to kick the leg higher and higher. Now we're going to exaggerate this backwards crossover by lifting the skate high and up over the knee, making a bigger half circle. Would look like this. Now we're going to take a look at this backwards outside edge toe push in a half circle. Sometimes this exercise is referred to as a scooter push. Would look like this. Now we're going to combine these two edges, the inside and outside edge, while going backwards in a circle, focusing on the toe push, and it would look like this. Our next exercise is a balance drill for the outside edge. We're going to go around for a full circle on the outside edge. Would look like this. To make this exercise more difficult, we're going to work on the backward outside edge in a figure 8 pattern. This tightens up our circle and forces us to make a sharper turn. We'll look like this. To make this exercise even more difficult, we're making this backward outside edge figure 8 over the stick with an outside edge jump in between. It will look like this. This next exercise in our outside backward edge progression is definitely a figure skating exercise. We never move our feet in this manner in ice hockey, but it is good to do for edge control and agility. It's a backwards outside edge crossover, lifting your foot behind your skate. And we look like this. Now we're going to add our plyometric exercise to this outside edge. We're going to start with small, quick, backwards outside edge jumps first, and would look something like this. The second way to work on this outside edge jumping exercise is to jump for width, and it would look like this. Now we're going to try an even more difficult exercise on one foot only. We're going to keep this figure 8, holding an inside and an outside edge. Will look like this.